If you're running into issues while trying to watch content on Paramount Plus, like a black screen, loading image, or the dreaded video unavailable message, then in this video, we've got a simple troubleshooting step that can help try to fix it. Okay, now first things first, Paramount recommends initiating a force quit of the app on your device. So these actions serve as a virtual refresh for the application, addressing potential glitches that might be causing streaming problems. So by force quitting, you essentially allow the app to start anew, potentially clearing any temporary issue that hinders smooth playback. It's a straightforward but powerful technique to ensure your streaming experience is as seamless as possible. And lastly, it's important to check your internet connection or mobile data, especially if you're using Wi-Fi. If you're experiencing ongoing issues while on Wi-Fi, then you need to consider a quick fix by turning it off your modem and router and just wait for a moment and then turning them back on, as this process ensures a fresh start for your network, potentially resolving any connectivity hitches. And once you've done that, just reopen the Paramount Plus app and see if everything starts working smoothly again. And that's it. With these simple troubleshooting steps, you should be well on your way to enjoying Paramount Plus without those annoying errors. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.